Okay, here's a quick video on how to change out the PTO switch on a Mahindra Emax. These things go bad. When they go bad, it's $110 from Mahindra. And I've got this one that I've made, and I've made a new faceplate for, and it works perfect, and it goes quick. So this is a direct replacement. So reach under here, pop your knob off. So put your screwdriver in there, press those tabs in just a little bit, get under it, pop that up like that, and mine came out pretty easy, didn't it? And then just pull that sucker right out. When you get it out, you're going to get to the connector. On the top of the connector is a little pin to push down. You push that down right like that, then give it a little tug, and boom, you're unhooked. Now, you've got 4 wires here, 2 greens, an orange, and a black. So you're going to take mine with the butt connectors, and you're going to cut these off somewheres, and just crimp my butt connectors on here. Match them up, the green and the black, and the green and the orange, just the way that I've got them tied together, so you can't go wrong. Then you're going to simply plug it in and install my switch. So that orange and green that go in together, that is a safety switch. So what's what we're going to concentrate on first. And you cut your wires off right there. Now that leaves you looking like this. You're still plugged up. You can unplug that if you'd like. So you've got an orange and a green with a stripe. And then you've got a black and you've got a solid green, no stripe. So what you're going to do is take my switch, and my orange and green are tied together just like these two are. And you're going to put the orange to orange and the green to the green with the stripe. On the other one, you're going to hook the green and black together. And you're going to hook the black to the black and the green to the green. Just that simple. Okay, and I'm going to show you how to mount it just in a second. Okay, so here we are. We're going to show you how to wire this up. Your switch is going to come to you like this. It's already got the faceplate on it and all that good stuff. 4 wires sticking out the back. You've got a green and an orange and a green and a black together. So you're going to use this green and orange right here that come out of this switch together with this green and orange that come out of my switch together. That's a safety circuit. Your tractor won't start with the PTO running, and so that tells it whether the PTO is on or off so that you can start it or not. So what you're going to do is strip off a little bit of wire right here. Get these ready to go. And then I've already got the butt connectors on here, so you're already in good shape. So we're going to take that green and orange. Obviously, we're putting the orange to the orange, just like that. I always like to give them a little tug, make sure they held on. And then we're taking that green with a brown stripe and putting it in that green that's taped to your orange. And that's going to complete your safety circuit. Okay? Just like that. Okay? Then we're going to take the other two, which is the green and the black, and obviously we're going to put those on the green and the black from your new switch. So we'll grab those. It doesn't matter which one goes first, just as long as they go. So I've got my green. It's got that one nice and tight. And then I've got the black. And then I've got the black. And that's got that one nice and snug. Looks good. Now this, putting a square peg in a round hole, but it's a piece of cake. Put your wires in, and you're going to shove your wires up that direction to get them out of the way, plug and all, just to make sure everything's nice and out of the way. So just take and shove it in there, shove it up that direction. Take your switch, roll it over to where the rounded edges, the radius edges, are at the top. This is going to go right in here, just like that. Okay? Get him nice and smooth and straight like you want him. Remember, you got 4 screws? Well, here's where your 4 screws go. Your 4 screws go right in the 4 corners. And that's going to have it done for you. So These are self-drilling screws. Mine are going in so easy because I've already had one into my tractor, obviously. But we're showing you how to do this, so we're doing it all the way. And then this one. And one last one. This is the last one. Let's get it put in. Just like that. Okay, so now let's start it up, make sure everything works. Park and brake is set, throttle. My tractor hadn't been started today, so I'll have to let it warm up here just a second. And once we're ready, there we go. Just like that. When you turn the PTO on, pull the switch, light comes on, goes off with it. That's it. Just that easy. So that's how you change it. You got a whole new look. So this is just a push-pull switch. It's, you know, pull it, turn it on, push it, turn it off, piece of cake. And you got this. Have any questions, let me know.